Annyeonghaseyo Urban, I am your Korean language teacher Ahmad, and in this video I will explain 듣기 and 읽기 of chapter number 4. Question number 1 and 2, Thom next. 내용 is content, gwa is with, 관계 is relation, isnan is available, 그림 picture, 고로십시오 is select. This is Yuriral Hago Isamnida. Yuri is cooking. So our answer is number 2. Question number 2. Khungbu. Khungbu is study. Hago Isamnida. She is studying. So answer is number 4. Question number 3 and 4. Thom next. Chung is in between. Mitchell is underline. The bubun. Bubun is a part. Majnan better. Munjang sentence. Koro shipsho select. Select the sentence which underline is correct. Chekki ilkoyo. Chekki ilkoyo. It's not correct because chekkal ilkoyo is correct. Number 2. Mulal ma shoyo. Mulal ma shoyo. This is correct. Mulal ma shoyo is drinking water. Number 3. Chonwa a heyo. This is wrong because of a. Number 4. Shinmunan phayo. If there is shinmun an, then is correct. This is wrong. So our answer is number 2. Number 4. Ondongal hayo. Hayo is not any word. Number 2. Havesa e kha ayo. This is wrong because khayo is correct. Number 3. Kophiral ma shiyo. Ma shiyo is wrong because ma shoyo is correct. Number 4. Televisional phayo. This is correct. Televisional phayo is I am watching TV. Question number 5. Thom next. Khul is paragraph. Ilgo read. Neyung is content. Gwa with. Khatnan got is similar object. Khoro shipsho select. Hanguk in is Korean dal with the attachment of dal. This is Hanguk in dal, Korean people. The bubun almost. Chib an in the home. Eso shinbal is shoes. Pot is get off. Sanghwal is life. Hamyo is spending. Padak. Padak is floor. Anja. Anja is sit. Shiksa is eating food. Hagona or. Tibiral phogi. Phogi is watching. Hamnida TV watching. So the complete sentence translation is Korean people mostly in the home enter with taking off their shoes and they sit on the floor for eating and watching TV. Irohan. This is Chwashik. Chwashik is eating on the floor. Munhwa culture. Phadak floor. Tatat is warm. Hanan. Hanguk a Korean. Chonthong is traditional. Nanbang is heating system. Pangshik is method. Te mune because of. Sangyoknan is hard life. Go ro. Hyundai is modern era, modern life. Chisuk thego isam nida. This is the culture of Korea sitting on the warm floor. And in this modern and hard life, Koreans still follow this culture. Pakke so outside of home. Churo usually sofa na. Sofa is sofa na or Uija is chair. Anja is sitting. Sanghwal is spending life. Cholban Saram is youngsters. Dal. Chib an in the home. Chaju often. Tatat han phadak. Warm floor. Anja is sitting. TV pogo and watching TV and shigito hamnida and taking rest. Outside of home, the youngsters sit on the sofa and chair, but in the home, they still follow this culture and sitting on the warm floor and watching TV and taking rest on this floor. Now let's see what is the correct answer. Chwa shik munhwa, sitting on the floor culture. Hanguke Korean chonthong. Chonthong is traditional. Sangwal life. Pangshik is method. Imnida. So this is our correct answer. Hanguk indal chib an eso in the home. Shinbal shoes. Shingo taking on with the shoes. Sangwal hamnida. Korean people go in the home with the shoes. This is not correct. Hanguk indal Korean people phada ke on the floor. Anjaso sitting. Shiksa is eating food. Haji answered nida. They are not eating food on the floor. This is not correct. Cholman Saram, youngsters, Chwashik Munhwa, sitting on the floor culture. Iksuk is familiar, Haji Ansam Nida. The youngsters are not familiar of sitting on the floor and taking food. This is also wrong. So our answer is number 1. Now there is Thitki. Let's listen.
1번. 다음을 듣고 빈칸에 알맞은 것을 고르십시오.
Taum. Next, Thitko, listen. Pinkane in the blank. Marginan, better. Causal object, Koroshipsho, select.
이것은 사과입니다.
Igosan, this thing. Sagwa imnida. Our answer is on number 1. This is apple.
2번부터 3번까지 다음을 듣고 내용과 관계 있는 그림을 고르십시오.
Number 2 and number 3. Thom next. Thitgo, listen. Neyung is content. Kwangi isnan is relation with the krim. Picture, Koroshipsho, select.
2번.
지금 뭐 해요?
Chigam mo heo. What are you doing now?
운동해요.
Undong heo. Our answer is on number 3 because undong heo is exercise.
3번.
지금 뭐 해요?
Chigam mo heo. What are you doing now?
텔레비전을 봐요.
Televisional payo. Our answer is on number 2 because televisional payo is watching TV.
4번부터 5번까지 다음을 듣고 물음에 알맞은 대답을 고르십시오.
4 and 5. Thom next. Thidko, listen. Murame is question. Almajan, better. Thedap, answer. Koroshipsho, select.
4번. 주스를 마셔요?
Juseral mashoyo. Will you take juice?
1. 네, 주스를 사요.
Ne, yes. Juseral sayo. I'm buying juice.
2. 네, 주스가 없어요.
Ne, yes. Juice ga opsoyo. There is no juice available.
3. 아니요, 주스예요.
Anio, no. Juiceo. This is juice.
4. 아니요, 주스를 안 마셔요.
This is our answer. Anio, no. Juseral. Anmashoyo. I not drink juice. Because question was, will you drink juice?
5번. 유진 씨는 뭐 해요?
Eugene Shinan mo heo. What Eugene she is doing?
1. 유진 씨예요.
Eugene she he is Eugene.
2. 영화를 봐요.
Yonghwarel payo. He is watching movie. This is our answer.
3. 회사에 안 가요.
Havesae angayo. I'm not going to company.
4. 유진 씨를 만나요.
Eugene Shiral mannayo. I'm meeting with Eugene.